One of the major benefits of owning a Thinkware dashcam are the cloud features. Wouldn't it be great to monitor your vehicle remotely, no matter where you are? With the cloud features available in continuous mode and parking mode on select models, you can do this and much more. Our cloud-enabled models offer several different features, such as remote live view, vehicle location, geofencing, and impact notifications. There is no cover charge to use the cloud features, however carrier charges may apply when using data. In this video, we will learn what the cloud features include and how to access and enable them. To use the cloud features with our cloud-enabled models, we must first register the dashcam. To register the dashcam, create an account within the Thinkware Cloud app. Once your account is confirmed, go to the cloud page on the app screen. This page is found by pressing the middle button at the bottom of the screen, where you can see an arrow with circles surrounding it. From there, you will see Add a Network-Enabled Dashcam. To complete this, you must connect the dashcam to a personal hotspot on your smartphone. Then, upon returning to the app, you will see a pop-up notification stating Registration Complete. Once you are successfully registered, make sure that you accept all the terms of service. Now, you will see a Google Maps display with your current location and direction of travel, along with a Remote Live View button at the bottom of the page. Now, all you need to do is give your dashcam an internet connection so that you can access the cloud features. You can find this connection through another personal hotspot, an internet device that will remain powered on in the vehicle at all times, or built-in vehicle Wi-Fi that will be available when the vehicle is powered on. To add your hotspot device, go to the connection settings and add your new hotspot for the dashcam to connect to. Now, let's dive into each cloud feature. To start Remote Live View, click on the Live View button at the bottom of the map. Once the Live View loads and connects, you will see a real-time image of what your dashcam is currently viewing. With up to 300 minutes available per month, this feature allows you to remotely stream what is currently being recorded by the dashcam in real time, whether you are driving or parked. This is perfect for users who would like this control over their vehicle. To set the geofencing setting, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the map. From there, select Geofence and click on the plus sign. Here, we can set the radius of where your vehicle may travel, and if you would like to be notified when the vehicle enters or leaves the zone that you have set. Once that's done, click on the arrow at the top right to save your changes. Then, you can click on Start Monitoring. The built-in GPS antenna on the cloud-enabled models is what allows for this feature to be possible. The vehicle locator will allow drivers to find their vehicle's current location, speed, and direction of travel using the Thinkware Cloud app. Geofencing allows for updates on the vehicle's comings and goings by sending a push notification through the Thinkware Cloud app if a vehicle enters or exits a pre-selected zone, where the radius can be set to up to 600 kilometers. You can also add up to 20 geofences and monitor it all at the same time. To enable the impact notification and strong impact video upload setting, go to Dashcam Settings, then Network Function Settings. Here, we can first enable the strong impact notification while driving for Impact 1 or 2. Impact 1 will detect impacts with a G-force value of 3 or higher, and Impact 2 will detect impacts with a G-force value of 4 or higher. Below that, we can enable the video upload option and the impact notification while parked option. In the event of an impact to your vehicle, this alert feature allows you and others to be notified of it. Any person logged into the same Thinkware account can receive the notification if an impact is detected and will have access to see the location of the vehicle and can see a remote live view of what is happening. A strong impact is considered an impact with a G-force level greater than 3 or 4. When the car experiences an impact this strong, whether driving or parked, the dashcam will send the notification and will also automatically upload a 20-second video of the incident to your Thinkware Cloud app, with 10 seconds before the impact and 10 seconds after. Our cloud-enabled dashcams can be a huge benefit for everyone, from fleet managers to simply individuals who want that extra set of eyes on the road. Our cloud-enabled dashcams are a great way to stay one step ahead.